Hi everybody, it's Tanya. We have an unboxing today of the 13 extra cards V created to go with her 13 cards for the, Red Hot Love and for Winter's Embrace. So let's ring the bell, bring in the lovely energy. Oh, I got 2 new crystal skulls, a rose quartz one and a clear quartz one my husband got me for Christmas. So here's the envelope it came in with her signature sticker. See her use it, I think, on some of her videos. Happy Minnie coming through just for you. And then up here, stand tall. Walk not by sight, see with earth. Bring hands, eyes, grace. So very blessed. Let's see. I don't know what, something always, kindness always. So it's wrapped up, all very cute, because it's Christmas time. Hot chocolate paper. There's some more charms. A cross and a leaf. I love the little charms. So look here. Oh, let's see. Oh, we'll wait to look at the extra goodies. Let's take a look at the Red Hot Love deck first. The new ones. Anniversary. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Attunement. Yeah, sometimes just to make everything work better, you got to learn to communicate better with each other. And that's just a little attunement. Change of heart. Sometimes we need to learn to pick people who are good for us, who will love us, not just some bad boy or bad girl. Full of it. Oh, I love this. Full of it. Some people are full of it. Having it all. Love, home, the family you want, on standby. Passage. Picture perfect. Rejection. Oh. I guess there is the person walking away right there, and he's holding this. But that's all right, you know. You only want someone with you who's right for you, and you're right for them. Reminiscence. Seeking. Single. You know, and enjoy while you're single. Enjoy the, fun dating. And then when you find the one, enjoy being in the couple and being married. Win some, lose some. Absolutely. I love the way these boxing gloves make this perfect little heart. So cool. So these are the 13 new for Red Hot Love. Just kept wanting to say Winter's Embrace. That's what this one is. Tanya, thank you so much for adding the extras to your decks. Hope you love them. Happy Thanksgiving. I do love them, V. Thank you. Intuitive Witch, Higher Self, Divinity, Manifestation. I think I like that deck. The Green Witch, yes. Well, this is one of those Lavender Dreams. Love Potion, Love Attraction, and Sexual Arousal, Attachment, Oppression, and Embarrassment. She has a lot of great decks. Clarity. Oh, I like the Genie one. I like them all. But you can't have all of them. Dominance. This is the Flaming Red Hot Flames. I don't remember the name of this one. Well, she always sends these cute little stickers. Respect the one you love. Absolutely. Respect the one that you love. Respect yourself. Makes for a much better relationship. Hot Fudge Love Oracle. I have that one. I love it so much. Save with PayPal. VLC decks are for sale. $29.99 each. Tracking included. So definitely go through PayPal instead of Etsy. Oh, look at this. The iced teas or lemonade. Whatever flavors. I love these stickers. Stand firm, tall, and confident in your daily message. Awesome. V is very creative. Adversity. Here's the Winter's Embrace. I love this deck so much. Focus. Here's her collection. Oh, it's not showing the Genie lamp one on here. Flaming Hot Love. Red Hot Love is the one I have. The other one's Flaming Hot Love. Lavender Love Dreams. Oh, she's got so many. Adversity. There's a lot of adversity in life. Beacon. A lighthouse to guide you. Determination. I love the snowman. He's determined. Like that snowman movie. He wakes up and says, "Happy birthday," and he's determined to get to Santa's North Pole so he can live. Delicate. Oh, this little ornament is so delicate. Ice is delicate, you know. In the snow outside, those crystals fall off and break so easily. Fearless. Now these kids are so fearless. Riding those dirt bikes, probably slide out many times, but having a great time. Fulfillment. Oh, isn't that a beautiful wreath? I think they're holly berries. Good luck. A bunny for good luck. The whole live bunny. I like it that way. Healing. Being all cuddled up with cozy socks and a big cup of hot chocolate and marshmallows and cinnamon sticks. Oh yeah, that is healing. That is so cozy. Hidden knowledge. This is like going to Superman's fortress of solitude. Getting the knowledge you need. Intuition. Ah, here's her crystal ball seeing Santa and his reindeers. I know it's just a snow globe, but I like that. Introspection, the wise owl. Love, of course, the Eiffel Tower. Transmutation. How beautiful. And now is the time of winter. So now I will mix these in. And I also have an Advent tree. Let me show you my Advent tree. It is Nightmare Before Christmas. And I just put on the 0 ornament. So there's 25 days of boxes that you open and put up an ornament. And up there somewhere is Jack Skellington with the pumpkin head on. That was day 1. And day 2 is 0. So you just mix it all in. And there's snow on the ground here in Ohio. Not a lot, but it still makes it feel like Christmas. And my husband's home, so we're having Thanksgiving again today. Had it with my neighbor on Thanksgiving. But today my husband's home, so now I have it with him. So let's pick a card and see what comes out for the day. Miracles, okay, expect miracles. You know, just being alive is a miracle. There are so many miracles every day. Enjoy them. They're just right around the corner. Keep your eyes open. And let's see what Red Hot Love has to say. Happiness. That is a great miracle, just having happiness. And a lot of that, you can just change your attitude and have happiness. Move away from someone who brings you down. So focus on these things today or this week. Being happy, enjoying everything that's around you. The miracle of life, the miracle of snow falling. For me, that's happiness. I love watching the snow. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Red Hot Love and the Winter's Embrace. And they're having a wonderful winter season, a Yule season. And take care, everybody. Hope you're all being safe, taking care of yourselves and your family. Get that in there nice and clear. Oh, see, I have a little 0 here. So, give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. And many blessings to all of you. Mwah! Hugs and kisses, everybody. Bye.